Hi, I'm Andy Driscoll, urban forester with Montgomery Parks. We want your young trees to grow and thrive. So here's some information on planting a new tree. You'll need your seedling, a container of water to water your tree, a shovel, and mulch. First, you'll untangle the roots. Then you'll soak it for 3 to 6 hours. Next, remove the grass and turn the soil in a 3-foot diameter circle. This helps with root growth. Next, you'll dig a hole wide enough so the roots can grow out without crowding. Plant your tree in the center of the circle with plenty of room for the roots to grow. Put the soil in a little bit at a time and firmly pack. Repeat the process until you get to the top of the hole. Let the water soak in. Then spread the mulch in a 3-foot diameter circle 2 inches deep around the tree. Once done, move the mulch away from the tree. Mulch on the tree trunk will damage it. Follow these steps and your tree will slowly grow into a mature tree you'll enjoy for a lifetime.